Hi, for today's dinner we've got few things here. We've got this stuffing that was just so easy to make. And the asparagus. I get my rice there. Baby back ribs tonight. Bye bye, Ginger. We need to go back to California. Do you want to go? Today, guys, we are going back to California, and yeah, it's going to be a long drive and ride. And we have already packed them up. What? I'm ready for 12, maybe 13 hours. Well, there are things there, guys, at the back. That's crazy. Time check, it's 7 a.m. right now. 7:05 a.m. See you. Good morning! My babe started driving early morning, and we've got our coffee. It's still hot, actually. Very, very coffee to make my babe awake all the way. All the way. Robot na po. Guys, his artificial intelligence is not functioning well. That's how it is. You know. It's so cold, but not very, very cold. How much more those state? Not my snow. This is a long trip, and we were going to have a food trip. We have food, actually, so that it would be time efficient. You know, we don't need to go out or stop to eat, so that we can. We're expected to arrive at 8:31. We were expected to arrive at 8:31 p.m. in California. Cookies, peanut butter cookies, because that's my babe's favorite. And I've got the lumpia there. And what else? Oh, last night, it reminds me that I bought, we actually bought the halia, you know, in Philippines, halia, like a, you know, the purple jam, the purple yam, and I cook it last night again. This one, it's sweet. It's so sweet now. Yeah, we've got fruits right here. We've got granola bars. Yeah. And I bring salt. Why? Because I love to eat this one with salt. I know it's weird, but that's who I am. And we still have coffee. My babe, that's so super coffee. I don't eat that. So yeah, let's go ahead and eat it. Are you hungry? Okay. So what happened this, guys, is yeah, I don't need to be awake because I'm not a driver. So I don't need to drink this. So coffee. It's so foggy down here. This is Roseburg. Hi! We dropped by just to pee. Oh, there you go. That's the Mount Shasta, guys. This is we're back home, guys. Thank God we arrived so safe. What do you say?
So kain tayo.
Yeah, kain tayo, guys. Have a great day!